Hi, it's Merrin from BugHerd again. This tip is a really great one from agencies, and it's something that we hear a lot of agencies tell us, that adding their logo means they can just tell clients to click on that logo on their website to leave feedback. And it makes the process of getting good feedback from your clients even easier. So let's take a quick look at how you can customize BugHerd with your own logo. First of all, we'll just go to Settings. You can see in Settings we have a light background use, so this will replace all of the current BugHerd logos in emails. And we also have a dark background use, and this will replace the one in the sidebar and also the BugHerd tab. Let's update them. And now the next time I open the project, my logos replace the BugHerd one in the toggle. I hope you found that useful. It's a great way to make BugHerd your own.